at the PPMA show in the NEC in Birmingham. So far the show has been excellent. There's lots of people around and we've met a wide variety of potential customers, from food manufacturers to distributors to manufacturers to steel fabricators. Today is day 2, so we've got one more day to go and we hope to have great success tomorrow.
Hi, Sean Fitzgerald here from Herbst Software. This is our 4th year at the PPMA show, and there's a great buzz around today. We have met many potential customers from the engineering industry, food industry and fabrication industry, and we look forward to a great day again tomorrow.